automatic for us, the 9070 Claymore. This is really an evolution of Benchmade's push-button autos. With the challenge that we gave the design engineering to create a full frame, full-size push-button auto, cut as much weight out of it as possible without compromising strength. So they took it to the next level and sought to make it the strongest push-button auto in their product line. The Claymore is introducing CPM D2. The CPM process creates such a fine carbide structure, it increases the toughness of the knife. A lot of design elements went into this handle. A lot of times ribbing is put on the inside of the handle. We wanted to extend that to the outside of the handle, give it that kind of a ribbed look. We have this ball bearing style of texture in these windows, as well as nice grip features. It's very comfortable in all grip positions, no matter how you grab it. Also, the oversized release button, we added some knurling to that. And in the safety, there's a little red indicator for when the safety is off. We also added this forward texture. It's based off of Morse code. If you're in this pinch grip, gives you a little bit of surer of a feel. Embedded US MFG, because this whole knife is 100% made in USA, right in our factory in Oregon. We've added a lot of styling details as well as mechanical details to make this the next generation push-button auto for Benchmade.
My Kit Carson features a high-carbon stainless steel blade with combined razor-sharp and triple-point serrations. The 3-inch dual hollow grind blade has a Tonto tip that is excellent for penetration. Glass-filled nylon handles form an open-build frame which is easy to clean and built to sustain heavy use. It also has a stainless steel locking liner which, when used with our auto-lock safety, automatically turns the folder into a virtual fixed blade. The auto-lock safety mechanism features easy one-handed closing. The Carson flipper enables a smooth, fast, one-handed deployment and also acts as a blade guard. CRKT knives and tools are fully backed by our limited lifetime warranty. The M16Z EDC series have set the industry standard for quality and value in everyday carry folding knives.
With its double-edged blade, removable handles, and a high degree of carry customization, Pentagon FX is designed to be a mission-specific, hard-use knife. The smaller Pentagon FX Covert, with minimalist sheath, enables discreet but confident carry. With Pentagon FX...
This is the Schrade SCH F59 full-tang fixed-blade knife. Built full-tang tough and forged from a single slab of 65 Mn high-carbon steel, the SCH F59 is designed to take on the toughest bushcraft and camping chores. Whether batoning or making feather sticks, the SCH F59 boasts top-notch edge retention, ensuring that you never lose your edge. Weighing just over 6 ounces, the SCH F59 features a 4-inch long drop-point blade that is razor-sharp and big enough to handle a variety of bushcraft tasks without weighing you down. A 2.5-inch topside false edge enhances penetration power when piercing or using the SCH F59 for drilling tasks, such as tapping trees for water. Textured G10 handle slabs give the SCH F59 a slim profile and allow for a comfortable full grip regardless of weather conditions. The spine of the blade features thumb rest jimping to furthermore enhance grip during power cuts while promoting all-day blister-free use. An ergonomic finger guard keeps fingers well behind the blade. The SCH F59 arrives seriously sharp in a black thermoplastic belt sheath featuring an oversized belt loop that attaches to any size belt and includes a quality ferrule rod guaranteeing that you'll have a campfire wherever your adventures may take you. Ready for adventure, crafted from premium materials and
The 511 Expert Spear Point is a full-size tactical or utility knife and offers superior strength and durability. This knife was crafted in partnership with world-renowned blade designer Mike Vellecamp and is constructed of CPM S30V steel. It features a 3 3/4 inch long, 4mm thick recurve edge blade and has positive grip studs for maximum user control with a no-glint black oxide coating on all the hardware. The heat-treated stainless steel liner ensures maximum tensile strength, while the G10 scale panels at the handle provide a confident grip with or without gloves. We've included a reversible carry clip and a Torx wrench for upgrades or modifications, and we also added a lanyard hole. This is the
If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to hit the like button below. And if you want to see similar videos in the future, smash that subscribe button and make sure to turn the notification bell on. Now that's all I've got, and in all that you do, we want to help you beat yesterday.